Guys, welcome back. It's a pretty nice sleep last night actually. It's quite comfy in there, and yeah, look at that for a view to wake up to. It's pretty cool. So yeah, cross the creek again and go out for another fish, see if we can get anything else.
Go forward a bit, go to your left a wee bit more. So I'll come out inside here, so on the inside of your rack it will swing around.
So I've just been walking along here, and look at these springs, guys. Look at that. They're like water's just bubbling out of the ground. Quite cool. A few of them. I think they're springs, I'm not 100% sure, but look at that. It's pretty cool. Anyway, time for some breakfast, and after that we might head down the mouth, have a bit of a fish there, and see what we can get. Hopefully maybe a kahawai and some trout down there, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's go.
Right, you just take it easy.
Alright, we'll meet you out there, go to yeah, and I just turn to the right, look. Get right around the front. And then the other one's closing. There it is. Yeah, but it's not there. And we're about to after him. He's coming right in. It's a tiny little one.
Fish?
Yeah. There it is.
Guess what, mate?
It worked. Yeah. Of course, I'm getting all the little ones. Yeah. What? Yeah. He's a fat little fella. Oh.
Take it easy, see your drag.
It's not very big.
Doesn't matter.
It's looked like quite a brown one though. Goldeny brown colour.
Oh, yeah. So, rock the part.
First cast at the new spot. Came in to get out of the wind and got one. Yeah, it's quite a brown, like a river trout looking. Oh! Yeah. I don't want to hit him on the rocks, but I'll just. Yeah, it's just a little one. He's quite fat. There we go. Yeah, he's a fat little thing. Oh, he was only just hooked. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it does say a bit. Alright. There he goes. Oh, cool. Got one.